Oh, what did you lose? There was an eval account. Yeah, there was an eval account, and I'm missing one account. I think that's I'm supposed to have four master accounts, but I only have 3. I don't know where the other one went. I think it went through the review stage. I sent an email to them, but I'll wait for the response back. I think maybe it could be one in the review stage. I'm a little confused myself, so not sure. Maybe they forgot to add the master account, and these are all $5,000 payout caps, so pretty good, I would say. But that account above 2,500 for any reason to trade that. Yeah, you have a good point. Like I said again, I needed a few more $100 on that account. A few more $100 ended up being in a big red. So 2,500, but I had a bit of a bigger profit, you know, on funding ticks. I made, I think, $1,200, $1,150 on the first day. So anyways, guys, let's go ahead and take a look at this market, guys. I wonder what this market's gonna do now. All right, pretty interesting. I wonder what the AMD is doing. I've got to really take a look at the AMD. AMD is still down about 2.5%, so I don't think that conference call is kind of making any difference to the AMD stock. You really have to have a massive, like, massive earnings. It was good, but it wasn't enough to kind of like justify the AMD stock being over $250. So we're kind of down into that 244 now, which is 2.5% down. We had a 3.5% down during the intraday, and down 2.5. So that's literally about 6% down now. So give or take 6%, and looks like all the semiconductor stocks are all pulling back a little bit as we speak. I wonder how that's going to set a tone for tonight and into tomorrow morning. I kind of feel like, you know, we may get a little bit of a grind back up, and then slowly fade down again, right? So I prefer a bounce in this market, initial bounce, because that bounce could be a shorting opportunity, right? So we'll look to see if we I could see a gap to the upside first, and then maybe get a pullback down. Good afternoon, everybody. Welcome back, guys. Welcome back. Gregor, Lorisky, what is up, man? Good luck tonight. Tiger, you seem like a nice guy. I don't know if I'm a nice guy. Like, it's hard to judge if I'm a nice guy. Now, you gotta ask your fellow traders, and they're gonna let you know. They'll let you know if I'm a nice guy or not. I could be sometimes grumpy, by the way. Well, it's not about the AMD have. They definitely don't have much weight, but I think it's not the weight of the AMD. It's a sentiment that that the AMD carries, right? So overall semiconductor, and it's not just that. You know, it's just overall, like, it's like the market really has to have a catalyst to kind of move it up again, right? We're so high up there, it's like profit taking. Pretty much, I think it's just they just kind of ran out of catalyst, right? What else now that could move the market to another all-time high? Like, what do we have, right? We just didn't really have anything. So it's like, okay, well, if I'm an investor, I'm kind of going, okay, well, I bought at AMD at $40, for example, and right now it's sitting at $250. I think it's maybe good to kind of lock in some profits off the table. You know what? Take a little portion off. Like, you know, maybe it could be 25% off right now. So that's what it is, right? You also have crypto kind of got a little bounce back up towards the end of the day. SMCI got crushed too. Yeah, I mean, I did not see the SMCI. Yeah, SMCI down 8.5. Oh my god, that's a super micro. Yeah, that's crazy, man. The revenue fell short of Wall Street estimates. Q1. Okay, well, that's definitely sets a tone for the overall market now. Palantir still down about 8%. And you keep in mind, guys, you got also TSM down about 4%. Such a massive stock. AMD not as much. AMD is still down as well. AMD, how much is it down? AMD, yeah, the Bitcoin's still down about 5%. Is that right? 5%? Or maybe I'm wrong. I'm not sure. Yeah, I think it's down 5%. Okay, so yeah, so any gap to the upside, I'm gonna look to short the market, and I'm gonna start off with I just need like a few more $100 on this account, so I'm gonna try and make $200 to kind of be in that 40% to pass this. So I think I'm missing one account, man. A new one account, a master account that I'm kind of missing. So I'm gonna wait for funding ticks to come back to me, but and their dashboard is not updated, so I can't even trade my. It's weird because they. It's weird, man. Like one of my accounts, I can't trade my funded account. I don't know. It's weird. What the heck is going on with the their dashboard? Oh my god. Anyways, something's wonky, man. I can't trade one of my funded account that I have to trade to count it as another day. Like God. It's weird. Anyways, oh, by the way, I have one account that I can request a payout now. All right, guys. Good afternoon, guys. JT, what is up, man? It will still dump. We might go to 370 easy. We'll wait and see, guys. The market opening in 2 more minutes. Globex Asia. Lee M, GHJ, sorry. Good afternoon. How are you? Vinny Lee in the house, man. How's it going, Vinny Lee? How's your trades going? How did everybody do today, guys? Oh, from Brazil. Oh, São Paulo. São Paulo. Danilo, you know, we got a lot of South American fellow traders, man, on my YouTube streams. It's weird. Well, it's not really weird. I mean, I welcome everybody. I love you guys, of course. Just saying. Oh, São Paulo. You're from São Paulo, really? Oh my god. Nice. B Adam, you're up $2,200.
The market is open.
All right, guys, look at this, man.
Order filled.
Order filled.
All right, guys.
Order filled.
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 I may be on the wrong side. Oh, I'm shorting right now. Okay, yeah. Weird. All right, guys. Right at the bat, we are down. Sometimes, you know.
Order
filled.
Order
filled.
All right, guys. Taking a few off the table.
Order submitted. Order filled.
Order filled.
Order submitted. Order filled.
Order filled.
Order
filled.
All right, guys. I went long again.
Order
filled.
Order
Order filled.
Taking profits.
Order filled. Order filled.
Down to 3 contracts, guys. I just need $200 to kind of pass this bad boy, so we'll get it going. There we go.
Order
Taking
filled.
one more off the table. We are pretty close to $200 we need. We'll get that right now. I may need a little more. We'll see. I kind of like this.
Order filled. Order filled.
I kind of like this to the
Order
upside.
filled.
A little more retest. Let's try to see if we
submitted.
retest 583. Okay, we are pulling back right now. Let's see if we can hold this. If you break it down, I will add until we retest the low. And then I'm going to have to exit my trade if we pull back all the way below underneath the 530. Again, guys, we are pulling back. All right, guys, we're getting a pullback here. We're down to the 541 and down overall. I may have to look to all right, guys, we got 1 hour chart on the right hand side. Okay, this is the 1 hour chart, and obviously you guys know I do that levels, right, to kind of show you guys where this market is. And we got this really strong trend line, and it's kind of very important that we respect this. If you don't, then I think we get a pullback all the way back into the 300s, and we talked about that level too, how important it is. Anyways, for now we're pulling back here down 536. Down 0.25%, down 40 points. And I'm holding, guys. I'm not reacting right now. I'm holding my trade. Good afternoon, everybody. Justin right in the house. Sergio, Rowell, great guessing. What is up, man? I don't know. I think I need to make a little more. That's why it says 43% right now on my consistency. So I need 3% more. I don't know how many points that was supposed to be. Maybe I should have just let that $168 be there. But anyways.
Order filled.
Order filled.
Looks pretty bearish. Let's see 1 second, guys. Yeah, we could see this thing pull back. I'm kind of holding right now, but I think this area is going to be critical, right? We've got to kind of hold this zone. If not, then I think we're in trouble. So far, it's pulling back here. It looks like, I don't know. I'm gonna try and stay in this trade. I'm gonna try and stay in this trade. Look for a quick bounce back up again, if I can. me try to.
Order filled.
Order filled.
Order filled.
Order filled.
It looks like the same idea. I've got $2,000 drawdown on this. But
Order filled.
Order filled.
Order filled.
Order filled.
Order
Order filled.
Order
Order filled.
Order
Order filled. Order filled.
that's a major level of support at 520. So my idea is we kind of respect this at least a short term, and maybe get a quick dead cat bounce back up again into the 540s, and then maybe continue falling back, I guess, right? So I took a stab here very quickly, trying to get out as quickly as I can as well on a pull, on a bounce back up.
Order filled.
Order filled.
Order
Order
filled.
filled.
Order
Order filled.
Let's see how we respect this, guys. Oh my god. Is there a rejection there? Oh, what a nasty pullback. Incredible. The earnings reaction is pretty ugly, guys, man. We flush down here that don't really have a chance. Let's see how this is gonna react at this level, guys. 515, 520 area is pretty huge, right? So if we can't hold this, I think it's we flush it down so bad it's not even funny anymore. Doesn't seem like it wants to hold. We are back into the 515. Come on, like it's not like not even a small little bounce back up again. I think that's definitely doable.
Order filled.
Order filled.
Order filled.
Order filled.
Come on, let me just full port this
Orders
bad boy.
rejected.
Oh yeah, it's nasty looking chart. Oh my god. Looks like it's gonna go. Let's see the reaction at 5:15, guys. This is gonna be maybe we flush and then get a bounce to take everybody out, I guess, right? I'd like to see a bounce right now before we get another leg to the downside, but it's kind of risky here at this point. See how it goes. Yeah, I mean, yeah, the next round of a resistance is gonna be in that 540 area, right above where the where my entry is right now.
Order filled.
Order filled.
Order.
Order filled. Order filled.
Oh, guys, what happened? Man, there's something going on with funding ticks, man. Like, what the hell? Where's... I can't get into trade?
Order rejected.
I think I passed. I think that's what it is. Yeah, account and review status. Yeah. Yeah, account review status. Yeah, we're yeah, this account's in review status. All right. Let's review status to when you pass there, they get you to it goes into the review status to get to the master funded account. But I'm still missing my one account though. I'm still missing one account. I don't know where it is, guys. And I cannot trade this account either right now. Watch.
Order.
Oh, I can
Order
trade.
filled.
I can trade now. It's
Order.
weird.
Order filled.
Okay, so the only problem here with funding ticks is that I'm missing an account. That's it. That's really all it is. Let me just quickly try to see if I can actually request another payout right now as you speak. I don't know if that's gonna work though. We'll yeah, I can't. I don't know. There's something going on. All right, guys. Anyways, just 1 second, guys. I'm trying to. Oh, that's what it is. Okay, so there's so much of glitch, man, right now. Incredible. So this account number 492, it's kind of showing me $2,700, but on a dashboard it's only showing me 1154. Fuck, man. Pretty messed up. Pretty messed up chart. No wonder, that's the problem. And that's why I can't request a payout right now, because of that reason. Oh my god. Anyways, let's continue trading what we've got to do. Let's take a look. All right, so I'm gonna trade Lucid eval account that I've got it here with me, and this is gonna be, I'm gonna move that to, I would say, tick chart. I'll probably do tick chart. $100 ticks, guys. 100 ticks. All right. So I'm in a 100 ticks chart on the right hand side, and these are all like 15 and 30 minutes charts. So we are obviously pulling back here, right? Nothing truly looking as bullish at all. So still very bearish overall, guys. It's let me try to. Okay, so I'm gonna have. Let me get rid of the drawings here. Get rid of all the drawings now because it's all right. So I got rid of all the drawings now. Well, let's just do pure price action trading for today, because I don't want to make things any more complicated than it already is. Biochemical ComC, you have the same problem with funded ticks. I can't request a payout because the dashboard PNL is not updating to reflect the, yeah, that's what it is. So Tradeovate and PNL and the funding ticks dashboard PNL is obviously a bit broken. All right, so let's take a look at this market, guys. We are obviously, hold on. I'm just gonna move back to 30 minutes chart for a second. You see there's a huge level of support just kind of waiting in that 368, man. I still think this 368 is big level, and we're gonna have to kind of respect that, right, in order to stay intact. Do we see that being broken today? I think sometime in the next few days, I think probably should be broken, I think, right? And then we have that level of resistance as well here, right? So let's see, guys. We'll see. This is a huge level now. We're kind of retesting this trend line here, and we got a major level of support, 382. I think we're gonna get down there at some point. Now I'm just not sure when that's going to be, but so far it's like we are pretty close. You're not even far off, right? We are right there in 3868. So I'm gonna draw this level 2. I kind of like a little bit of a bounce back up again, right? That's what I'm gonna try and do. We're at 530 now. 530. Maybe pull back here into. Actually, you know what? I kind of, excuse me. I kind of prefer to short this on a bounce. No, that's what I'm gonna try and do. And maybe a bounce back into, I would say 6 maybe in this level. It was where I'm kind of going to go. Well, we could get a massive pullback from there. So that's the range. I'm gonna try and short this, guys.
Order filled.
All right, that's where I am. I'm gonna try and short on a bounce. We actually got a nice little bounce off that AMD, by the way, towards the end of the close. It was pretty interesting. Nvidia is still dumping right now. Since seller, what is going on, man? Kelly Kaufman, what up? Njika, what is going on? You're 6057. What is up, bro? How's your options trading going? This could be the perfect time to kind of get into the options trading. Bank as much as you can. Monica, today only it will happen. LC 21033, what is going on? G3TR, live trading. Anthony, Shawnee, pound. Dan Emmons, pound. Justin Rod in the house. Bowser in the house, man. More payouts, Bowser. All right, guys, these are micro contracts, okay? These are micro contracts. Oh my god, there we go, man. There we go. Oh my god, AMD pits. Holy man, look at that. Sadly, what again? Sadly, I just checked. I need 2 more days. Oh, I see. Man, that's crazy, man. Save silver, man. Oh my god, that's $8,000. Is that the reason why the funding ticks is kind of slow in their updating dashboard? We gotta, you see, man. I'm telling you, there's something that I don't like about funding ticks is that, well, it's not that I don't like. I feel a little uncomfortable because I kind of feel like funding ticks is probably the easiest rule to get into the payouts. And that's what I kind of feel, you know. I think a lot of traders, including myself, and we got some traders. Obviously, we got Unomed, and we also got Silver, taking advantage, right? And they're really good traders, and we are maximizing our potential right now with using funding ticks. I think that's that bothers me in a way that how do they freaking survive? And on top of that, they only allow you 6 accounts at a time. So I'm like, you know what? They've gotta be, you know, they've got to be making something out of something. You know what I mean? Like either traders loading accounts, or we keep failing. But I don't know. I think the proportion of traders actually doing well with funding ticks, I think, is substantially more than I don't know, a lot of other firms. But again, I could be wrong. Maybe they changed the rule. Who knows? But something's I don't know. It's easier. They're almost obviously duplicates of Top Step in a way. The rules are, and yet it's cheaper.
Connection lost.
Than Top Step. Way cheaper. So I don't know. Anyways, their funding ticks got to get their dashboards updated. Still don't have that, so. For now, I'm trading my listed account, the eval that I had for a while now, and finally I'm getting into a trading mode with this. So let's try to see if I can actually get something now. Oh my god, I can't believe I'm up already $200. Oh my god, I'm in NQ. Oh shoot, guys, no wonder I'm like, why am I up so much? Oh my god, guys, I didn't realize I'm an NQ trade. I didn't realize I'm an NQ, man. I didn't realize that. All right, so we'll look to, which is good. Maybe it's a good problem to have, I guess. I'm gonna place my stop at the break even, and let's see if we can actually get a little bit of a follow through down. I didn't know who you were talking to, Jamal. I didn't know. But yeah, I've seen that message. Yes, I've seen that. I'm sorry, man. But thanks for letting me know, though. But hey, man, sometimes I guess it's a good problem, right? When you don't realize what you're doing, sometimes it's good. Anybody here doing pretty good with the Tradify's Grand Cup. I can't believe, man, there's so much of profits the guys are making. Holy. All right, guys, we are pulling back here. This is pretty good looking chart. Maybe try to pull back down to the 487s, I guess, right? If you see this trend line here on the left hand side, probably that trend line bottoms out in the 485 area. So so we could see this and pull back down to the 485, I guess, right? You thought the old 30 contracts are back. Oh, what are you talking about? 475 looks good area to bounce. Dan Emmons, you climbed all the way up the ranks to $4,300 by taking 0 trades. I know, man. Maybe it's a good thing. Do not trade anything. I haven't traded anything. You know, the last one I traded was pretty quick during that earnings AMD this morning, obviously after the hour. And that turned out to be a good trade, but only a few $100s on that one. So, all right, guys, we are getting a nice little pullback here. I want to know if we can actually get a nice little follow through back down again. I'm down to 1 contract. I'm trying to see if I can actually get over. Yeah, I mean, it's. You know what I'm gonna do? I'm gonna flatten this right now.
Order filled.
I want to flatten this, and I'm gonna turn my eyes into M&Q, guys, for a moment. Okay, so we're gonna use M&Q now, and it's the same thing. This M&Q, you see, I drew that level a while ago, and that 480. Sorry, that's not 480. 475, 480 area kind of plays. That's like a very important one. Hold on one second. This is on 100 tick now. Okay. I'm gonna try and short on a bounce back again. Psych level 500. Yeah, it's I think, you know, I still think we got to bounce, but the thing is, right, this market is really showing a lot of sign of weakness in front of the earnings that we actually got. AMD, it's we did not get a chance to even get a small little bounce, right? No bounce at all in AMD. So I'm kind of going, okay, well, we have a chance maybe to bounce back into the 530s, 540s, but then from there, it's like, you know what? We may try to pull back all the way down. I don't know.
Filled.
So I am going to scale into my position on a short side. Of course, I'm going to try and scale in between where I am now to maybe 535, right? And probably max out at 10 micro contracts, and average cost is going to be in the 525 to 530. Nvidia pulling back here. Let's take a look. I did not see the Nvidia. I was just looking at the AMD, but Nvidia down only about $1, bro. What are you talking about? But we slipped below $200. That's a big psychological level, right? AMD down about 4%, right? SMCI down, I would imagine, quite a lot now. It's about 9%. So guys, not a fun night to be trading, right? It's probably that time of the day where we got to be extra careful in the way we trade, because this could be a little problem. Nvidia, everything is just kind of like, I think it's just profit taking, to be honest. I mean, is there anything wrong with those companies? Absolutely not. Those are great companies, showing a lot of strength, and nothing wrong with it, right? So I would almost imagine it's just a just been right. Get the hell out of here. Get the hell out of here, please. Leave me alone. All right. Guys, man, oh shoot, guys, 1 second. I don't think we had
Order filled.
All right, guys, I've got 5 contracts now. Let's see if we get a bounce into the VWAP. And that's a nice little pop we are getting. Yeah, I'm on a 100 ticks chart, so it looks like it's flying to the moon, but really not. It's just nice little bounce that we are kind of getting right now. Maybe we yeah, I don't think this is bottom out. Yeah, I don't think this is bottom. We get a little bounce maybe, but eventually I think we kind of fade back again. So we got this big level that we just can't get above that, right? I think we really have to get above like 580, so that's another 40 points from here. You know, to kind of feel a lot more bullish, but we're just not doing that. So I'm gonna try to continue, try to add scale into my short position. I'm only down about $108, but you guys know I'm already up $500, so I've got a lot of drawdown on this. So I love you lots. Closing 1 hour candle was more than a dodgy. So we'll see how this thing kind of plays out. Definitely very interesting. Oh, look at that pullback there. Yeah, man, that's a big nasty pullback. We just don't seem to have
Order
that juice,
filled.
man. I'm just gonna try and
Order
add
filled.
to my short position
Order
here, guys.
filled.
Yeah, and I'm gonna keep adding on a pullback here, guys. On a bounce, right? Oh my god. Oh, there's New York elections too. Oh dear. Crypto looks stopped the sale off for now. Yeah. There's a little bit of a stall in
Order filled.
all right, guys. Looks like we're getting a little pullback down. Yeah, I'm gonna try and hold on to this. I mean, we could get a balance. I'm gonna try and short, add to my short position, all the way back into the VWAP. And then if we curl above the 540, I would say, yeah, if it goes above 545, then I'm gonna have to exit my trade.
Order filled.
All right, so instead of getting a bounce, we are getting a pullback here. So we'll try to see if we can actually continue the roll down. All right, there we go, guys. We're getting that pullback we've been looking for. So let's see if we can actually continue the roll over down. Yeah, I kind of like a pullback, man. This thing could actually keep going. I'm gonna try and be a little bit more aggressive. I may end up adding to my short position here, guys. I'm gonna try and add to my short position here, guys. Wait.
Order filled. Order filled. Order filled.
All right, there we go, guys. My stop here, back into the VWAP. All right, and I've got 18 contracts now. Let's see if we can retest the low here. That would be 511, and then we continue pulling back here down. Lots of signs of weakness in this market. So, all right, and I'll add some more if we get a bounce back up above this trend line that we have drawn there. So if you get above that, I'll try to add to my short position, and I'm gonna be risking about I would say $700. Okay, so there we go, guys. We'll see how this thing plays out. Kelly Kaufman, 25,400 is the 200 SMA on the daily. Very likely not saying right now. 25,400 was that 200, 25,400. Yeah, that's also that come in line with the trend line as well. The longer time frame trend line, that 400 right there. On the left hand side, that's the 400 area. So, but I don't know if you're gonna get all the way down there though, right? It's I don't think the market's ready to do that today. That's like over 100 points pullback, so it's not gonna be easy, right? That could be a little bit of a challenge. Oh, by the way, yeah, my giveaway. Sorry, man. Hold on 1 second, guys. I've gotta get the giveaway going. All right, there we go, guys. The giveaway for Apex account is open. So go ahead and type in the name to give yourself a chance to win the Apex account, guys. If you pass that account, you have a chance of activating for like $40 or something like that. So that's a pretty good deal. All right, so we are getting a bounce, and I'm down quite a lot. And that's a pretty strong bounce that we are getting, guys. And that could have been a little bit of a fake.
Order filled. Order filled.
Looking, this looks pretty darn bullish all of a sudden. But let's see if we can hold this or we break it down. Oh my god. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, here we are now, 527. We are getting a little bit of a bounce, and I'm down. Thank you so much. That's a lot of problem. Looks like it's trying to hold. Let's see 530, guys. Let's see how we respond in that VWAP. I'll move my stop to 548. Okay, so here I am. Hold on one second. I may be able to request some. Oh my god, I completely forgot to trade my Apex account today. Not the Tradevate, but the Rhythmic accounts. Incredible. So I lost a day, and I'm really getting frustrating. Anyways, I guess it is what it is. Sometimes nothing much you can do other than just let's see if I can request a payout. No, I don't have any account. And by the way, guys, there are 2 payout requests that I made on Apex 5 days ago. That's they all got denied, right? So I mean, those were something that I did not count anyways. So I was going to count those as a payout for the month of November, but both got denied. Apex, and obviously they came up with the reason scaling, unfortunately. So there we are, you know, we got denied, and we're gonna try and look for some new payouts. So now I can nicely, cleanly trade Apex account just not having to kind of wait until they approve. But they've been delaying, right, the approval. So it's kind of like, you know, you're sitting on that account for, you kind of lost quite a few days. On top of that, now you got to trade them again. Yeah, I got denied on my Apex account. Yeah, I got denied, unfortunately. All right, so we're getting a little bounce, man. That's that should have been maybe. I added to my contract size. And that would have been a nice, decent follow through extension we could have got there, but not really back to break even on this one, even after making $500. So we'll see how it goes now. I've only got like $800 drawdown, so I think by the time yeah, I think it's no point in placing a hard stop here because this account's gonna go. So we got a view up here, and yeah, so let's see if we get bounce above the view up now. Do you really have what it takes to kind of continue getting a bounce? It's a, you know, it's a tough one because overall the price action that I see from semiconductors is not really nothing exciting there. We are constantly getting a small little grind to the downside. AMD is still down about 3.5%. Let's take a look at the Palantir for all it matters. Down about 2.5% even right now, guys. Holy mochaccino. Palantir down to 185. All right, guys, you know the drill. I'm a buyer Palantir at $100. Oh shoot, we're getting a pullback here, guys. Oh my god.
Order filled. Order filled. Order filled. Order filled. Order filled.
It just feels so good when you're like peeling profits, you know what I mean? It just doesn't get any better than that. Peeling profits like having a wow. It's like having a Red Bull every day. All right, don't forget to participate on that Apex account giveaway. You can choose what account size you like. Did anybody load in some accounts with the offer that we have right now? RTS Apex is very distressful. Oh my god. Apex. Don't worry, Apex. I still love you. I still love you. From the bottom of my heart. Can we choose something else other than Apex, Tiger? I don't have anything else right now. That's the problem. Actually, you know what? I may have something. Well, I don't right now. I don't right now, guys. Maybe if I win the Tradify Cup, maybe I get something. I'll let you guys know. The #1 day trader, StockTiger. Overnight session trade. You can take what he gives you. Yeah, guys, man, I don't really get much. Like, you know, it's really hard. Like, you know, a small little streamer, man. I'm like the smallest little kid in the pond, right? So I don't get anything, guys. I don't, guys. I'm so sorry. What are you doing with the cup? What are you doing with the cup? I'm trying to eat the cup. I don't understand what your question is. I don't. Yeah, I get from Take Profit Trader, but I gotta wait to get it, right? So once I get it, I'll share with you guys, right? How's your trades going? My trades going with Tradify Cup. It's so far I think it's fine. I think the more I don't trade, I think my ranking is kind of getting better. Just like what Dan said. So, my ranking is 353 right now. If you guys go type in StockTiger, you'll see my ranking 353. With $7,000 of profit, 7,100. Show it to you guys right now. StockTiger on the leaderboard, ranking 353. StockTiger with 57,161.26 decimal, all the way down. That's it, man. I'm ranking 353. Who knows, man? I may end up blowing that account. For all you know, tomorrow you may not even see me at all. You may not see that account anymore tomorrow. Who knows, man? I may full port, try to get maybe $50,000. I wonder what the gold is doing. I'm kind of curious what the gold is doing, guys. 1 second. Let's take a look at the gold. Oh my god, look at this dumpage in this overall market, guys. Gold is trying to tank, man. Man, I'm telling you, man, I hate gold so much. It's not even funny, man. If you're a really solid gold trader, then yeah, you could have really made some big, massive profits, right? But I mean, for me, I've been just using obviously NQ to kind of trade, and I'm just not able to trade gold as well. So I'm kind of set at disadvantage, really. Look at this CL trying to pull back, Bitcoin trying to pull back as well. Oh, Bitcoin actually kind of trying to find some footing here, guys. We went all the way down to 99, and it quickly got bought. Wow. Is up over 1%. So I don't know how it's gonna go. Looks still pretty bearish, man. NQ looks pretty bearish, man. Right? I think that's what it is. I wonder what I don't know. The problem with the gold, I'm not sure what this gold is trying to do. I would love to get a little more seriously aggressive with gold, but I just can't do that right now. So here we are. We are pulling back here, guys, and yeah, I'm kind of liking what I see so far. I'm gonna keep adding if we get a bounce now, right? So I've got 14 contracts. That's the yeah, I'm not even placing my TP because once we flush it down, I'm gonna peel my profits slowly and slowly until I kind of run out of my position. But who knows, we could also get a bounce, right? We kind of got a rejection of the VWAP too, so we could see this thing pull back further. We'll see how it goes. So far I kind of feel like, you know, we're creating a new trend line, which would mean it's something like, I don't know, oh my god, which should be right here, right? So I kind of feel like maybe this is what it's trying to do and give us a pullback down into the 490s first and then roll over all the way down. I don't know, man. After that, I think we could keep moving here to the downside, but so I've got 14 contracts. I'm gonna look to see if we can actually continue pulling back all the way down and try to see if I can capitalize on this trade. I mean, not bad. Not really anything to do right now on this one. So while we wait to get this thing play out, I may try to load in trade just a little bit on my NQ on Top Step here for a second, because I've got to pass a whole a few accounts that I've got right now. So here we are. I just need $200 more in this, so
Order filled.
all right, guys, there we go. $200. Yeah, we gotta pull back all the way down here, so 1 second.
Order filled.
250, I need 150, so I think they should be able to do it. I think once I get that, yeah, it's gonna pass. I need $200 more, so $200 or more, I don't know. Let's try to. $170, $130. I need a little more than that. Yeah. Still. Maybe I'm risking too much on this. Yeah, I've got $2,700 right now. So unless we get a big push to the upside, I think I should be okay. I would imagine. I think we bounce from here, fill the gap. Oh my god, really? Do you guys actually think we fill the gap to the upside? Is that what it is? That's gonna be incredibly a problem. I guess I just need $130 more. It's $255. I think here is a good spot for me to kind of like. It's a good spot to pass this bad boy. I really love to, but I don't know. Let's try to. Nah, I'm still gonna wait for this to see a little bit of a flush down. Let's see, guys. A small little flush down. 3 points, man. I think 3 points pullback definitely doable now. Oh, I actually need a little less than. Oh my god. Oh my god. You gotta be kidding, guys. I almost got it. Oh, there we go. We are getting it right now. Just a little more. Hit it. Just in case. You've got to be kidding, guys. Oh my god. Is it not gonna go down? I don't know, man. It's it looks. Yeah, I think we gotta hit it, man. We just like 2 points away.
Order filled.
There you go, guys. We got it. Lock it in. That's all I needed. We'll go another one. I'll look for another shorting. We'll try to short this bad boy again. Oh no, what am I doing? All right, so we are here.
Order filled. Order filled. Order filled.
I guess I'm down to 8 contracts now on this. And then we'll see. I need $300 more. $300 more. So you know what, to get $300 more. $300 more. Yeah, $300 more. Yeah. Are you not tired? Yeah, I'm a little tired, yeah, today. But I mean, it's fine. As long as you guys are right there with me, trading side by side every day, I'm a happy camper. That's really all that matters at the end of the day. All right, so here we are. It's a wow, it's a constant rejection of the trend line, guys. So unless really break out of this trend line, there's no reason for us to be bullish, right? At least we try to get above that. I mean, it's incredible how we're just not even doing any of that so far. So it's kind of like, okay, well, what's the point? I mean, if we are bullish in this market, it's tough spot to be in, because every bounce it's being sold all the freaking time. So I think something's gonna break now. We either try to get above this area, which would be kind of nice. Then it's for the first time in a long time that we actually break
Order
out
filled.
of this. Oh my god, guys, what happened there?
Order filled. Order filled.
Oh, what was that, man? Holy mochaccino.
Order filled.
That was a pretty quick I need $100 more.
Order filled.
Let's see if we can get a pullback here into the 494. So that's going to give me that what I need right now.
Order filled.
Oh my god, guys, what was that? Holy mochaccino. Guys, we are getting that nasty pullback here, guys. Wow. So I got two rolling over. That's pretty good. Oh yeah, they already took it away from my dashboard. Okay, so I've got those two accounts passed. So We got one more bad boy to kind of get through. So we got one more here, guys. We'll see if we can. I need $130 more to go on this bad boy, right? And then we'll get to the funded account as well. Wow, this is pretty interesting, guys. Yeah, I kind of feel like maybe we get a little bounce back up again. Wow, look at this dumpage, guys.
Order filled.
I'm down to 6 contracts now. What a beautiful entry, hey? Look at that, guys.
Order filled.
Yeah, this. Yeah, not a bad day. We had some. We just kept going today with no real meaningful. I have no. We could see this thing more dumpage or what now, guys? At least can we not expect some kind of a bounce back? You know what? I'm just gonna go to the washroom. I'll be right back in like 20 seconds, guys. Just wait. Maybe we get a little bounce while I'm in the washroom. Who knows? Oh my god, where are we right now? Guys, man, this is not good, man. This is not good. Absolutely not good. And it keeps going. Wow, we are down into the 474, guys. I've got to zoom in to kind of like know where I am. What a beautiful entry there, guys. And this is what it's all about. Yeah, we are getting that sort of a bounce now. I think a lot of traders probably took advantage of this price action today. My ranking actually is getting better and better. I guess we got traders losing accounts. Some are, Michelle, some not. Depends, right? Some are, some not. Anissa, what is up, man? Ngika, what is up, man? What is going on? What's going on? Yeah, I'm not sure what to do at this point. Oh my dear, look at this, guys. What is up with this market, guys? We are pulling back pretty nasty here. And that's a pretty serious pullback here. We are 0.5% down. We are getting that crack we talked about so many freaking times here, guys. This is a huge level we set, and we are getting that crack right now. Huge level, we are breaking down. Yeah, not sure. This is actually a pretty nasty pullback here, guys. Oh, all right. So let's try to. I don't know. I do not want to be. I don't want to be. I don't want to be caught on the wrong side. I've got this. I'm trading the combine now.
Order filled.
They took the other one? No, they haven't done that. No. Oh shit. All right, we are getting a little bit of a bounce back. This could be a relief rally back up again. All right, guys, I'm looking to add to my short position here but it depends. It depends on what kind of a strength we get on this one. Looks like a pretty strong bounce we are kind of getting. So we'll have to wait and see. If we get a rejection of this 481, then I'll try to hop in. But if not, then I'm gonna have to wait and see. So this level is gonna be pretty interesting. Right, this level is gonna be pretty interesting here. This level right here, this is gonna get very interesting, guys. Let's see if we can hold that or not.
Order filled.
Okay, so there we are, guys. Oh my god, what was that? It's pretty nasty. Right, 530. That's really all I need. So we kind of got a rejection of that level. Man, what a spot on, guys, man. We drew that level. And it's like, you know, we get a rejection of that level, we kind of add. Not a bad trade, guys, overall. Even though let's see. I think we're not maybe out of the woods just yet on this combine here. Gotta pass this bad boy, right? So But what an excitement, guys. The market down about 1.5, well, not a 1.5, but down quite a lot. I just need a small little pullback hit down if I can. We may end up getting a bounce before we get a pullback, so that's one thing I'm kind of a little concerned about, but we'll see, guys. Market overall still looking pretty bearish, right? So this, I mean, who knows? This could be the bottoming process, right? So we could see a bottoming process kind of play out, right? And then kind of like get a bounce and pull, but get a bounce back up again, for all you know. But in order to do that, we gotta have like retest of the low a few more times, and that level actually has to end up holding too. So far it's a little bit too early. Anyways, guys, we are trying to hold now. Let's see what happens in this market. What an exciting price action today, guys. It really doesn't feel like Asia. You know what I mean? This almost kind of feels like the election times. You guys know how great the Asia was at the time. But then during that process, I think this was the month of April, May, June, July, everything was so crappy. And now we're kind of getting that sort of a price action we're looking for. Let's see what happens now, guys. We get a bounce or not, right? We got to get above the VWAP, but of course, I will exit this trade if we get a bounce back into 500. Yeah, I'm not really too concerned. Honestly, if I'm down, I'm down, but I may try to here. We may try to retest and pull back, so I may try to add to my short position as well. We'll see how this price is going to react at this level, guys. Overall, it's still a pretty bearish, right? So wow, guys, wow, just wow. That's all I can say right now. Incredible, guys. Guys, don't forget to smack the like, guys. Once again, if you guys want to support the stream, please do not forget to do that. If you guys don't want to do that, that's all fine too. Yeah, I wonder. Hold on 1 second. Getting a little bounce here. This could be the short-term bottom. Oh my god, guys, we are getting a bounce. That would have been a beautiful long, I guess, right? But I'm still in this right now. We'll see how it goes.
Order filled. Order filled. Order filled.
We held that level, guys, man. A little problem now. We held that level. Let's try to see if you can retest that level 483 now.
Order filled.
Oh, where's my account? Oh, it got filled. Oh. Oh my god, it got filled, guys. All right. All right, guys. I'm in with my XFA now. I'm with my XFA. My Tradify tournament. I'm still in that tournament. StockTiger always play with fire. There's never been a day that StockTiger does not play with the fire. And that's how I get my payouts, guys. And that's what it's all about for StockTiger. That's why I'm Tiger. I'm just kidding. All right, guys. I'm short on this position here. I'm looking for a... Yeah, I'm kind of taking a risk here. I'm risking $700 here on this trade, guys. Somebody asked me, are you in a Tradify? Yeah, I'm there. I'm there right now. I'm here. Take a look, guys. StockTiger. Yeah, I'm with my ranking 358 on that Tradify Cup. I mean, honestly, I'm not putting my life into this. Obviously, this is kind of like my back burner. When I get a chance to trade, I'll do that. If I kind of feel like, you know, we could get into swing trade, I will do that too. My ranking here is pretty decent here, 356. We'll see how it goes, but I'm not really expecting something huge. You passed 6 funding ticks pro account on that dub. Do you like FT? Oh yeah, I love FT. I love FT. And it's me personally, I love AT, okay? I don't know about you guys, but me personally, I like funding ticks. There is a glitch right now. I don't know what the heck is going on. There is a glitch, and I'm missing an account as well myself, so I don't know what to do. I sent an email to find out what the heck is going on, but we'll see how it goes. To Sean Michel, where is FP at now? He was 8 yesterday. What do you mean he's 8? Who's... Oh, FSP? I have no idea. Is he doing well? I don't know. It doesn't really matter to me, but I see FSP. His ranking is 5,150. I think that's what it says. It's certified trader. If that's what you're looking for, Michelle, he's Oh yeah. Yeah, I mean, honestly, yeah. I mean, it depends, right? I mean, it depends on how seriously you take this trade. I don't think anybody really take it very seriously, at least as far as the streamers are concerned, right? You know, for me, this is kind of like a back burner. I'm gonna do when I can, but it's not gonna. I'm not. I mean, I don't get paid by doing this, right? So I've got to focus on my payouts. At the end of the day, that's really what it matters. Anyways, guys, we are pulling back here. Let's see what happens now. Do we get a crack here now? I'm really liking what I see, man. Lots of great trades so far today. Lots of great trades. The thing is now, can we hold this level? That's the tough question to ask now. We kind of got a rejection of that 500, right? So maybe like right here, right? We got a rejection of that level. So I really wonder if we can actually hold this. It looks like we're trying to get some footing here. We are trying to get some footing here, and I could be wrong on my on this trade, but We'll see, guys. I'm still shorting right now. I honestly would have been better off if I try to short right up here, right? In this area, 1 and 2nd contract, and try to see a pullback down, right? But I'm a little bit early in this trade, so if I'm wrong, then I'm wrong. Nothing much I can do. Oh, hold on 1 second, guys. I'm gonna try and exit this trade. Let me, you know what, guys? Maybe it's a good idea to kind of wait. I'll exit that trade. I'm gonna move to M&Q. Okay, I'm gonna try and scale into my trade using
Order filled.
M&Q. Okay, that's what I'm trying to do right now. Maybe get a little bit of a bounce back up again. If you just take a look from a larger time frame, we still have some bounce, maybe back into 514. All right, guys, I'm gonna have to take my profits off on this listed account. Yeah, this could be a short-term bottom, maybe, right? This could be a short-term bottom, guys. I kind of see this as a short-term bottom. We'll see. Yeah, we are definitely getting into the yeah, that would have been a nice trade. I kind of gave like $400 back on this pullback here. Pretty interesting. Do we get a bounce all the way back into my entry? Maybe. I don't know if that's doable though. I'm gonna place my stop here. Yeah, it's a pretty nice bounce we got off that 450. This could be the short-term bottom, if you will. I still think we continue rolling over, but that wick that we got right there was actually pretty bullish. But we'll see, guys. Who knows what this market's gonna do?
Order filled.
Oh my god, now we are rolling over. Incredible. Incredible, StockTiger. Ah! Yeah, who knows? I mean, yeah, it wouldn't surprise me if I end up with no 25 cup account tomorrow. But it's gonna be hard to lose that account, right? It's gonna be hard to lose. Oh my god, guys, we are pulling back here. I'm gonna try and
Order filled.
I kind of feel like we broke down, so we'll see, guys.
Order filled.
I'm risking about 100 and hold on one second, guys. I'm risking about $200 on this. This could be a little pullback down, I guess, right? A retest the low, maybe. I like it to the downside now. We'll see, guys. I may be wrong, but all right, guys, I'm gonna place my stop at the break even now on that trade. 464. Yeah, I'm just gonna keep holding this, guys. I may be on the wrong side. I don't know. We'll
Order filled.
I'm taking one off the table. I'm gonna place my stop here. I'm gonna be risking about $100 on this trade now, guys. And let's just go back to my Lucid account. Wow, look at this Lucid, guys. What a beautiful trade, man.
Order filled.
Just doesn't get any better than that, guys. The biggest mochaccino ever. All green everywhere. A beautiful looking chart, guys. Can you guys see that? Green, green, green. Boom, boom, boom. Let's go, baby. All right, one more. Oh my god. I'm sorry, man. I will never say what a beautiful trade ever again. Just give me a
Order
pullback here
filled.
down. Give me a pullback, please. I'm sorry. Leave me alone. All right, guys, man, that's a nasty pullback here, guys. I'm gonna try and look to see if we can continue rolling over. Back down. I think maybe we retest that 381 right here today, guys. Hey, it wouldn't surprise me if you guys are trading this and if you guys been shorting this market right from the start. Kudos to you. Awesome to you. Great stuff. Great job. Bank it, lock it, and run away. Oh, I mean, beat the stream. You can run away with that profit. But I mean, beat the stream, guys. Guys, you can only get one ticket. You can't get more than that. So please stop typing in like a million times, please, everybody. Holy. Guys, don't forget to smack the like, guys, as well. Guys, it's it really support the stream. Smack the like never before. If you guys want to support the stream, it doesn't really take you a lot of time. Just take a few seconds to smack it, guys. Thank you so much, everybody. I love you guys. Thank you for so much love. All right, so we are getting a pullback here, and we are trying to capitalize on this move down, guys. I like it so far. I wish we can kind of rewind this this trade and then go like, okay, well, you know exactly what's gonna happen, right? In about 10 minutes, go like 20 mini contracts on that trade. It would be really nice if you do that. All right, I guess we just gotta have to sit and watch this price action right now, kind of like play out. So far, I'm kind of still liking it down. Maybe the final take profit down in the 400 if you get a pullback all the way down there. I don't know. I'm still gonna hold this, guys. I don't know if it stop me out. It's okay. I kind of feel like, you know, we get more rollover down. So if we get a bounce, then it's fine. I'll exit my trade at break even. Asian market is definitely becoming very wild. Yeah, it's only started like a few days ago. You guys know I've been complaining so much about Asian market, right? You guys know that. I've been complaining like crazy. I'm probably the only one complaining about how dirty the Asian market was. It like really slow, right? And today, see what the market's doing. And yesterday could have been a nice, beautiful start. Yeah, you know what? I almost kind of feel like a profit taking, to be honest with you. But again, this kind of a pullback though we're getting right now, it's pretty incredible from a grand scheme of things. I mean, no real bounce at all, guys, man. All we really had was right here. And that's literally 30-40 points bounce, and then it's like done. Right? And we are, this pullback is, yeah, I'm probably going to have my, well, 390, 400 area. We are getting pretty close to that now, so. Wow, look at that dirty price action, guys. Holy. Guys, if you type in more than one time, hey, man, I'm going to have to lock you out. Or probably time out, guys. I'm going to do a timeout if you type in more than once. Oh my god, there's no bid at all. Look at that punch in the face pullback here, guys.
Order filled.
Oh my god.
Order filled.
This mochaccino is real, everybody. What was that, man? You see that spread that we got? The spread is horrible. What is going on, man? The bulls are getting just completely annihilated, man. Imagine if I went long all the way. I would have been absolutely destroyed. Guys, don't forget to smack the like, guys. Please, everybody, do not forget. Again, if you guys want to support the stream, thank you. All right, so here we are, guys, man. This pullback is just incredible. I don't know, man. Guys, man, I don't even know how to respond to the chat because it's all, you know, getting bombarded with the code Tiger. And by the way, guys, Lucid Trader account 40% off right now. Apex 70% off with $40 of activation lifetime. Billionaire 73% off as well. Tradify 30% off. All with the best code Tiger. Thank you guys for your support, and thank you guys for being here with me today. Over 400 viewers now. Please do not forget to smack the like, guys, as well. If you guys like what you guys see, all green so far today. All green. I'm kind of missing one more account to activate. Yeah, 497. It's already gone. It's not there anymore. 497, 1, 2, 3. $938 is not there too. 3, 4. Yeah, I've got one more. I better trade that. All right, so not bad, guys. 1, 2, 3, 4. All right, we're coming in with 5 express accounts to start the November month, which is great. And the Lucid Trader is kind of rolling out as well nicely here, so we'll
Order filled.
Oh shit, I'm down to 2 now on this bad boy. We'll look to target the 454, and on this account,
Order filled.
all right, down to 5 now on this, right? Down to 5. Oh, we are getting a little bounce, guys. I trade mostly 50k accounts. It's just the like, you know, the drawdown to the profit target, it's 1-to-1, right? So, and also it's a lot, I mean, I wouldn't say it's a lot easier because you also have less drawdown when you're trading the 50k, so it wouldn't be as easy, but it just takes me a lot less time to kind of try to pass the 50ks, and it's not like I've decided to you know, go ahead and use the 50ks only now. It's, you know, it's proven to be that I've gotten most of my payouts through the 50k accounts, right? So it kind of makes sense to kind of stick to what I know, right? And that's proven history too. Like, bulk of my profits are, I mean, bulk of my payouts are usually from the 50ks. Much less through the 150s. My 25Ks were actually pretty good too, but nothing compared to the 50Ks. And I guess the part of the reason is the 25Ks are obviously a lot less drawdown too, so it's gonna be harder to kind of hold on to those accounts for longer too. So that's another problem. Oh yeah, sorry, not 1-to-1. I mean, pretty close to 1-to-1. Better proportion than the other ones. Yeah, Alfred. Yeah, thanks for correcting that. Yeah. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. All right, guys. Anyways, we are back into this trade, man. This is looking pretty good. I kind of like it. You know, some traders are really good at trading 150s. They only do 150s. You know, we got a lot of traders here. Alfred does 150s. MRC Trader does 150s. I think even Dan Evans do only 150s on Top Step, right? So it's yeah. See, Alfred does only 100, 150. I have a little bit of a, you know, like, I don't know if you guys know that, but a little bit of an Asian mentality. I want it now. I need everything now. More leg room, yeah. I mean, more leg room, but I still prefer to go with the 50Ks. Just faster that way for me. I can't wait. I just can't wait to kind of trade 4 or 5 days to pass and try to get the profit. It's really hard. You got, it's not easy. All right, guys, I'm still in this trade. I'm still in my Lucid Trader account to trade as well. Looking pretty good. I think we are kind of getting pretty close to our target, guys. I cannot believe that we are approaching that 25,430 right now. Even though I said we got our target here, profit target into the 400s, a little lower, the 420, 430. Even then, it's like, I can't believe that we are actually getting that right here today. Incredible, guys. What's your favorite trading influencer? That's a good question, honestly. I don't have anybody. I like Humble Trader. I watch her sometimes, you know, on the weekends. I like Humble Trader. She's nice. And she lives in Vancouver. She's my neighbor too, so. Yeah, other than that, you know, I just focus on my own trading, to be honest. I don't really pay attention to don't really pay attention too much to somebody else. Oh yeah, I watch Patrick too. Yeah, sorry. Yeah, I watch Patrick too. I like watching Patrick stream, yeah. When I get a chance. But you guys know, I mean, I live stream almost every day, 24/7, so I don't really get a chance to see anybody, to be honest. Oh yeah, I watch 0 Day J too sometimes. Yeah, I'm kind of missing out, everybody. Yeah, sorry, man. I mean, they're all great, you know. I used to watch Alpine too. I don't watch Alpine anymore, but I mean, not because of any reason, just don't really get a chance to watch anybody. But yeah, I watch Alpine too. Tory Trades, yeah, I watch Tory Trades too. No, I don't watch Tory Trades. No, I just Humble Trader is probably my my number one, to be honest. Yeah, and Monica too, yeah. By the way, Monica is a streamer too. Monica, are you streaming anymore or what? Man, we are getting pretty close to our target, man. I've got only 5 contracts here, but I mean, it's I can't believe you just keep pulling back here with no real bounce at all. It's incredible what we are witnessing right now during the Asia Globex. We're not even, oh, well, we actually, Tokyo's already open now, so. I mean, everybody's great, you know. I mean, we all We all are great people, including yourself, right? HRQT, are you talking about me? 500 NQ contract. I would never be able to do that. I would never be able to do that. I don't have that many accounts to copy trade to be like 500 contracts, man. What are you talking about? Oh, Patrick, yeah, okay, yeah. I don't know, yeah, he's a different animal. Yeah, he's a different animal. Yeah. So called the big dog. Big dog. All right, what a pullback here. We are you know, the great thing about today is that even with that nasty pullback that we're getting today, we've been in every single move, which is kind of bad and good in a way, right? But we've been here in the trades right from the start. You guys know that I tried to go long and I realized I made a mistake and I ended up flipping to the short, and then I held a short right from the start all the way back down into this level now, which is at 430. Incredible, guys. Incredible, guys. This is a monster, massive. We are trading, we are banking. I love it. It got out negative 50k, man. I don't have, like, I wish. I mean, you know what? I don't know if it's my dream to be able to be in like 500 NQ contracts, man. I wouldn't want to do that, to be honest. I think it's pointless, but for some, maybe it's not, I guess. I don't know. For some, it's a big deal, so it is what it is. All right, guys, we are getting some kind of a bounce now. Are we gonna get this double triple bottom here? This could be a bottoming process, but we gotta really hold this level now, right? If we can't hold this, then I think we have a problem too. This problem just continues, guys. Never-ending problem, unfortunately. This what is that? You know, we've got to hold this, right? This level. If we can't hold this, then I think we break it down. We are finally approaching that 400 area, guys. We are just about 20 points away. Is that not doable? I think it's doable 100%. Right? We are right there. And we are not respecting this. We are constantly getting rejection of the trend line. Let's see, guys, how we end up. Maybe we... Incredible, guys. This pullback is massive. We're going back to 400. Yeah, man, this is incredible. What a journey. What a journey we're kind of witnessing right now. All of us together, over 400 viewers. Wow, what a monster pullback here. I'm gonna get down to my last three piece. Filled. I've taken bulk of my profits off the table now. Let's see if we end up getting a pullback now, guys. All right, so we are right at the trend line. So the thing is, are we going to get a bounce off this level, or do we get another level of rejection here now? Right, we constantly got a rejection there. Let's see if we get another rejection here, and we get a pullback. And this could this pullback here could take us all the way down to the 400 now. Let's final take profit there in the 400. Let's see if we get it, guys. Wow, I can't believe we just dumped how many points, man, guys. Hold on 1 second. I'm gonna 30 minutes chart you, 50 minutes chart here. So today we dumped about 170 points right now. 170 points. Well, we dumped about 170 points, and including New York today, this could have been like, I don't know, 700 points. Is it? Am I right or wrong? No, I'm wrong. So including New York, we opened at we went to the high at 900, and then we got a pullback from 900. So yeah, that's kind of like 500 points. Yeah.
Order filled.
All right, so we kind of got a rejection of that level. We try to break underneath the 414. That could have been a nice little support. Let's see. All right, so and by the way, guys, I go live in New York as well, about 3 times a week, right? Not every day, because as you guys know, I do other stuff, but I try to go live 2-3 times a week during New York in the morning at about 10 to 11 a.m. in the morning Eastern time. So if you guys want to get notified, just make sure to hit that notification bell, guys, on this channel right now. And yeah, I mean, I'm pretty active during Globex Asia. I don't know if you guys noticed, but I'm much more active during New York. It's a little overwhelming when I trade in New York, but I mean, yeah, it's a lot of fun too, right? I make 70 to, I would say I make 70 to 80% of my profits. I would say pretty much doing New York, and a portion of that doing overnight as well. So yeah. So Asian market kind of contributes to only about 20-30% of the profits that I make. We'll do in about 10-15 minutes the one trader. And guys, don't forget to smack the like, guys, once again, if you guys want to support the stream. And if you guys are having a lot of fun here today. All green so far, so it's good. Oh, the one trader, are you from India? Oh, nice, man. Where about in India? New Delhi, New Delhi, Hyderabad, Kerala, where? Who knows? You could be a Punjabi too. Oh, New Delhi. Okay, you're Mumbai. All right, nice. Okay, so guys, man, we maybe trying to get a break out of this area now. Maybe that could be the bottom in 409, guys. We tapped the 409. I'm gonna exit this trade right here, guys.
Order filled.
I'm out. Oh my god, I'm out on my Lucid as well. I'm out on my Lucid too, so I don't know. I'm out on all my trades, guys. Wow, what a smoking trade. Did you guys bank? That was a lot of fun, man. Incredible. What a fun trade. All right, by the way, guys, man, we traded all the way through the top, from the top all the way down. Does anybody do like that? Does anybody? Now you're in India time. Oh, somebody listening to your stream at this time. Yeah, I know, man. Thank you so much, man. India, yeah, 6 a.m. in the morning. Thank you so much, the one trader. Maybe you can be here every day now. All right, so we're gonna go ahead and do our giveaway. That was a lot of fun. And that was a fun trade. Yeah, I like that. Yeah. So let's see if we can actually get a little bounce back now. For all you know. All right, guys. I closed the entry. Let's take a look and see how many entries we have here with us today. That's 145. Are you guys still typing in Tiger? Really? All right, 1 second, guys, man. I'm gonna resume. I'm gonna open this up. All right, I opened. So type in again, guys. We are pulling back here, guys. I don't know. I'm gonna give you guys like a few more minutes to try to enter the ballot, and I'm gonna have to exit that, and I'm gonna have to get to calling out a winner here, guys. All right, so go ahead and do that now. We'll give you guys a few more minutes to do that. Oh, I need $130 more on that. Oh my god, and I locked it out. Damn it, I locked it out, so I can't even trade that to kind of get me that profit. Oh well, it's fine. It's fine. It is what it is. Too bad. It is what it is. Okay, so now the market's pulling back here. What a nasty pullback, guys. We are down into the 400 now. Oh my god. Yeah, so I think I'm still looking for some kind of a bounce back up, though. At least back into the 460s, maybe. So that would be right in that VWAP. Come on, market. Where'd the bulls go? All right, so we are kind of retesting this level now. This is gonna be very important here. We gotta get above this 424 to be a lot more bullish, of course. Yeah, I still needed this $120 on that one. Unfortunate. It's gonna be risky and dangerous to really be bullish in this market, right? It's bulls getting ready for Thanksgiving time. I know, both getting ready for Thanksgiving. Well, man, guys, look at this. What a spot on, guys. It just kind of nailed that, you know. I put a line there in that 424, and it got a rejection of that level. That was we had to really get above that to kind of be a lot more bullish. But here we are right now. Let's see how we kind of respond in this level. Looks like we are cracking down, but we'll see. I'm just gonna have to wait and see where this market's gonna go. Are we gonna be like here, or are we gonna be down here, right? So either one of the two. The market's gonna have to decide what it wants to do now. So we'll wait for that move, right? We need that move, right? We gotta get above, or we gotta get below. So this level here or this level here, either one of the two. So let's not try to be you know, guessing where it's gonna go. Let's just see if we can actually break out and kind of hold that area, or break it down and at this level starts to act as a resistance. Bowser, Andy, Annabelle, Silver, Ark, Kelly's, and Nick. Yeah, I know, man. Yeah, I'm. Yeah, it's crazy how. Oh, by the way, guys. By the way, my Discord link. I'm gonna share that right now. If you guys want to be part of the big community. All right, there you go. That's our Discord link. And yeah, I know, Monica, you're right, man. We got a lot of traders taking so much payout. It's incredible. Silver taking another one. Why Silver not at a roll there? It's incredible. Yeah, there we go. I've added Silver. So yeah, I mean, that's crazy, man. $5,000 there. Yeah, we got a lot of traders taking so much profits, man. It's incredible. Everybody taking payouts. Andy taking payouts from Funded Futures Network. And from Funded Next, $10,000, man. Incredible. I don't know how you do that, but... And then guess what, StockTiger? Oh no, StockTiger gets denial. They get denial for scaling violation. Thank you so much. Everybody gets payout and StockTiger gets denied. Incredible. All right, guys, we are we are kind of chopping this range. We'll see what happens now. And by the way, thank you everybody for being here. What is the sound coming from? Oh, that's my disco sound. Let me try to mute that bad boy. Mute for another 8 hours. Oh my god, it's making another sound. Hold on one second. There we go. All right, guys. Looks like we're getting a little pullback here. Very interesting, guys. I thought by now we found the bottom, but this bottom is not. No, there's no ending to this bottom here, guys. What the heck is going on right now? All right, guys, I'm going to give you one more minute to be able to participate on the giveaway, and then I'm going to have to call out the winner. Yeah, we got into some really lots of trades, man. How many trades did I actually make today during Globex Asia? Does anybody do that, you know? We got into like 7 trades. And other than one account that I went down, everything else is green. Maybe, you know, some people tells me that StockTiger, you trade too much, but I mean, honestly, I don't know. I don't have an answer to that question, because I don't know if that's over trading. Maybe it's just that I've got too many accounts to trade all at not at the same time, but all individually, you know what I mean? So that's kind of like, and that's probably the reason why it's like trading all day. But when you're not copy trading, it's really hard to Michael G, what is up, man? Long time no see, brother. How's it going? Crazy. Yeah, wonder if it keeps selling off during Asia. Oh my god, guys, man, it's not looking good, man. It's not. We just cracked underneath the 400. Oh my god, guys. Now I'm kind of like FOMO because I'm not in a trade anymore. Yeah, my contract got filled, guys. I'm out of my trades because I literally It hit my TP, so I'm not in that trade anymore. Guys, if you ended up showing this market, great job, man. Great job. I mean, you needed a lot of conviction to stay in this trade. You guys know, I mean, sometimes it's really hard to kind of hold on to your trade, to winning trades for longer. I'm also myself trying to get better at it, but you guys know I could be a very, very aggressive micro scalper, but at the same time, I could be a trader holding this is almost kind of like a swing trade that I actually got into, right? I was in that I don't know, I can't remember exactly. I think I was in from that I was in from the 440, I think. From 440 area, and I held it all the way down into the 400, guys. No, 440. What am I talking about? 1 second, guys. I'm wrong. Oh, yeah, I got at 495, man. This is an area I got into, right? So I could be a micro scalper, but at the same time, I could be holding my trade for much, much longer, especially the winning ones. And I you know, sometimes I also hold it back. You know, like last night, I held to my losing trade for the longest time ever, and I obviously ended up blowing that account, but you know what I mean? But overall. But anyways, guys, we got a rejection of that level, and now we are getting a pullback, guys. I don't know how far we're gonna go now. Let's just take a look and see what sort of levels we're kind of watching. I'm gonna have to move back into the larger time frame. Maybe take a look at the 4-hour chart and take a look. We drew that level, guys. Man, I told you that 400 area is gonna be huge. Now if we don't hold, and if you don't get a bounce off this level now, then I think this could be a pullback all the way down into the 250. That's really the next level of support that we're kind of getting to, and that kind of coincide with the 200-day moving average coming in line as well, right? So we got that 200-day moving average sitting right in that 235. So we could see this thing pull back down to that level. That's going to be like another 150 points pullback. It's not small, all right? Incredible. Wow. Yeah, I mean, oh my God, it keeps going now. And I'm not in a trade anymore. Fantastic. I'm not in that trade anymore, guys. I mean, by not, well, I guess by not being in a trade, you don't lose anything. But look at that, guys, man. Apex is not supporting your country. Where are you from? I think somebody mentioned that. I think from Egypt. We got somebody from Dubai as well. Nice, man. You're trading from Dubai at this time of the day. Alpha Mango Gaming, bro. You're from Dubai. I love it, man. I love it. Tall buildings, great buildings. Dubai Mall, right? Palm Jumeirah. What else? Yeah, that was you, Nova, from Egypt. Yeah, I don't know what to tell you, brother. From Philippines, guys, man, we got such a global community in this chat. The one trader wants to be in Dubai. Yeah, I mean, not everything is rosy. Oh my God, guys, we are dipping on the. Oh my God, guys, what is up with this price action right now? We're down. Oh my dear. Incredible, guys. What a monster price action. We're down nearly 1% now. We are constantly pulling back here. I really have to go long. I really do.
Order filled. Order filled.
I'm gonna go long, man. And I'm risking how much again? I'm gonna be risking about $200 on this trade. This could be a mistake. I don't know. I'm looking for a dead cat bounce, guys. Back up again. Dead cat bounce. A small little dead cat bounce. Let's see if that plays out or StockTiger get cooked. Yeah, I'm gonna be risking about 170. Well, yeah, $200. We'll see, guys. It looks like we're gonna continue pulling back here, though.
Order filled. Order filled. Order filled. Order filled.
All right, guys. I'm with 10 contracts, 10 micro. This could be a real quick one. If we don't get a bounce, then I'm gonna exit my trade, of course. I'm definitely maybe taking an unnecessary risk here in this trade. Looks weak now again. I may get flushed down, man. This could be flushed down again. We're so overstretched, though. Just take a look from a 30-minute standpoint. We're so oversold. Like, I mean, a small little bounce could be definitely doable, but I don't know, man. Maybe the sell off, like the sellers are kind of like not even giving a chance for the bulls to kind of step in here, and that could be me. Oh my god, guys, I'm down. I'm down.
Order filled. Order filled. Order filled.
Yeah, man, it looks so freaking weak. It's not even funny anymore, guys. I may be giving back my profits now. Incredible. This could have been a mistake. I shouldn't have got into this trade. Oh my god, man. No bounce at all, man. It's just a flush down. Yeah, absolutely risky trade here. We could just flush it down for all you know. It's 346 is where my SL is. Yeah, we are pulling back here now, guys. Oh yeah, it's really bearish, guys. Overall, it's really not the time to be trying to go long, but I was trying to go after a little bit of a dead cat bounce, but maybe it's a falling knife right now, and you're trying to step in on a falling knife. You know what happens, right? You get you get absolutely annihilated. That's what it is. Oh, maybe getting a little bounce after I said that. Let's see if you get a little bounce. I don't know. A little bounce back into the 375, definitely doable, but I don't know, man. It's just, it looks so bearish, right? Overall. We are constantly getting rejection at these levels. My god, it's not even funny anymore. Yes, this is what I was talking about. Oh my god, look at that mochaccino, guys.
Order filled.
Oh my god, I'm down to 7 now. Holy. Ah! That was a heart attack. Whoa! All right, guys. I'm gonna look for that. I'm gonna look for that last piece of a puzzle.
Order filled.
I don't think I'm gonna be able to hold on to this trade for that long, though. Fine, I'll take profit here in that. Getting pretty close to it. It's 380 now. I've got 2 last piece now, so Yeah, I'm done with this trade now. Thank God. Oh my God. That was a great entry. It's just that it's really hard to kind of like hold on to that trade, right? It's not easy. It sounds easy, but it's really not. When you're like in front of that computer and you're kind of trying to get into a trade, it's not easy, man. And when you're using 100 ticks chart, it's like it gets wild pretty quickly. What is Monica? What I said it happened. Yeah, Monica's right too. Monica's a great trader. You're spot on your call outs too. And bouncing off the 200-day on a 4-hour, good support. Oh, that's nice, man. All right, guys, I'm holding one more. Let's see if we get a little bounce back, guys. We could see a little bounce back into, I don't know, 400 maybe. We gotta try to reclaim. The bulls are trying to reclaim back into the 400 maybe. I'll try to hold on to this last piece.
Order filled.
Right, and then try to hold on to my last piece. One last contract, guys, is all I have now. We'll look to see if we get a little bounce back into the 400, guys. Yeah, it's definitely a scary long, man. Definitely a scary long, guys. All right, so I'm gonna first of all, while we let this kind of play out, I'm gonna call out the winner, guys. Good luck, everybody. All right, guys. BRMEZ. BRMEZ is the winner, guys, today. You're gonna have to DM me on a Discord once the streaming is over. And once again, congrats. Congrats to who again? I forgot your name. Congrats to Congrats to BRMEZ. Oh my God, what a difficult name there. Congrats to BRMEZ for winning the giveaway. That's the Apex account giveaway, brother. Chat to me, let me know you are here. You've got 24 hours to claim your price, okay? Congrats once again, brother. If you are here, oh, guys, we are getting a pullback here. Wow, guys, man, by the way, what a price action we're getting right now today. It's incredible, guys. I can't believe what I'm seeing right now. This is a pretty significant price action. That's literally about 180 points. The volatility is real. It's here to stay. Monica, have a great day. Thanks for being here as well. We'll see you, Monica, tomorrow. Oh, guys, we're getting a pullback here now. Oh my God, I'm gonna get stopped out. I've only got one contract, so it's fine. Looks like I'm gonna stop out. Incredible, guys. I can't believe that. I mean, I'm only down to one contract, so they kind of got stopped out at the break even. But even then, it's like, oh, by the way, do we have New York mayor election kind of going on right now? Is that what it is? I'm not sure. It's today. Oh, I see. It's almost done though. Is that part of the reason why this market's moving? I don't know. I don't think that's the case, but Oh, guys, they took that account away too. Okay, I see. Guys, I needed like 130 bucks more. I think the top step is watching me trade my accounts, man. I needed $130 more, but then I just got an email that it's passed. Weird. I'll take it though. All right, let's try to trade this bad boy, guys. I don't know. Oh man, I'm getting a little nervous now. I'm not sure. Let me just try to take a little bit of a breather, guys. Let's take a look at the chat here and see what is up. Lee M, J Han in the house, man. What up? Sculpture, Trade Current, Sculpture, MKE Trader. What up? Nikkei down 2.5%. Really? Yeah, it's pretty wild. I don't know. Pretty wild. All right, there goes my five contracts. Sorry, not 5 contracts. 5 express accounts. Yeah, I've got 5 express accounts now, so that's good. So the question is, are we gonna be able to hold this area now? You need one more push to the upside, Elf Flacco. Really? Are you long or are you short? We're just not getting any kind of a bounce, guys, man. I don't know. I don't even know what to tell you guys. Maybe we pull back another couple percent. Is that what it is? And this kind of a pullback that we're getting now, it almost kind of feels like, you know, we pull back another point, another 1 or 2. Right? It's not. It doesn't just. Maybe the pullback isn't over yet, to be honest. This is a pretty aggressive sell-off, guys. I was definitely not expecting this kind of a pullback here. Something is up, man. I don't know what it is, though. Does anybody know? Is there something that's kind of moving this market? Oh, trading for the W? Oh, I see, yeah. Don't say that the Bears are dead. Yeah, I know, man. How many accounts did you pass? I passed 3. No, I passed 2. I passed 2. So I've got 5 now. I've got 5 express accounts. I got it there on a timely manner. It was nice and quick here today, with thanks to the market volatility. I kind of got there. No news data other than earnings. We are just selling off with no pullback. Seems strange to me. Yeah, I know. I don't know what it is, man. It's gonna be hard for him to kind of go short right at this level too. So I'm gonna have to wait for some kind of a bounce back up again. Now this is definitely a very difficult level to kind of trade, right? And that's why you see me now. I'm kind of like, okay, well, I better wait and see. Yeah, I mean, that's what he said yesterday, live trading. That's what Trump said yesterday. But yesterday's already gone. And I don't think I've heard anything, though, today. Yeah, I'm not sure what to do at this point, guys. It's a pretty interesting price action. Yeah, I think Savage is right too. November sentiment, we sold off during the Asia market yesterday, and we are doing it today. Major earnings are over. Government shutdown might coming to an end. A rally is during October retracing. Yeah. Maybe just profit taking. Put it. Maybe profit taking could be the right thing, right word to use, I guess, for now. I don't know. It's it could be a lot of things, but this is a pretty significant pullback here today, though. When is the last time we actually saw Asian market pull back like this? It's been a long time, right? So that's why I'm kind of saying, okay, well, this is pretty significant. This price action that we're getting today is equally as good as New York, right? I mean, I probably think today's price action was better. Yeah, I'm not sure. We may just kind of chop around in this range, but I mean, it's hard for me to go long. It's hard for me to short. Maybe I'm most probably just better off try to. All right, guys, I'm gonna try and long here, guys. Okay, we might stop here probably, and that's 320. Okay. So this is what I'm gonna try and do, and my target would be somewhere in that 360. 366. So obviously this is going to be a lot smaller size just because of the fact that we could see the continuation pullback here.
Order filled.
Yes, you can. Yes, you can, Ram. I did that. I was up 52,000. I was up 52,500. I requested $1,000 and it went down to 5,100. Sorry, 51,000. So yes, it's possible.
Order filled.
All right, guys, we are getting a pullback here, and I'm down now. Kind of expected. Yeah, what a nice what an incredible pullback here, guys. Um 25, let's take a look, you know. Maybe I want to swing trade, guys. Maybe I want to do that. I'll try to swing trade on one of my XFA and one of my the Tradify Grand Cup as well, maybe. I don't know, maybe this could be a good idea to try and short this bad boy. Look, we got to pull back all the way down, man. What a nasty pullback here, guys. We had our target there. Oh my god, this is incredible.
Order filled.
Looks like I'm getting stopped out on this. We continue to get a pullback here. Maybe I should try to exit my trade here quickly and not get smoked on this bad boy, right? There's really no bounce at all, man. It looks like pretty You're already up 7,000. Oh my god, man. Yeah, good stuff. Yeah, my Lucid account's looking pretty good too. We'll see how it goes. Oh my god. Did I actually trade my Tradify account? Let's see if I traded this Tradify account. I didn't do that. Yeah. Lots of accounts to trade even now, so yeah, it looks like a continuation pullback, guys. I don't know, man. Maybe get a little bit of a dead cat bounce though, right? Before we do that. So I'm gonna be looking for a target maybe into the 340s. Let's try to get. Let's try to see if we can actually get a quick little bounce back up again. There we go, guys.
Order filled. Order filled. Order filled.
Nice, nice, nice trade. Nice trade again. Nice trade. A small little size though. It could have been a lot better if I actually went a little more aggressively on this one.
Order filled.
I'm down to 2 now, guys. Flatten this trade. Flatten that trade.
Order filled. Order filled. Order filled. Order filled. Order filled. Order filled.
Ooh, this could be the short-term bounce. Wow.
Order filled. Order filled. Order filled. Order filled.
Oh my god, guys.
Order filled. Order filled.
All right, guys, I'm up. I'm up.
Order filled.
Let's get going, brother. Let's get going. That could be the high for now. We may continue pulling back now. I'm gonna place my stop here. 330. See if I mean if it ends up stopping me out, I'll be break even, so it's fine now. All right, guys, maybe I get stopped out right now. maybe not. I don't know. We'll see.
Order filled.
Oh, guys, man, that was a quick pullback. Oh my god, it stopped me out getting a pullback now. Damn it. Oh my god, what a nasty price action here, guys. Alfred, your average is 25.41. Really? That's good, man. That's 100 points, man. That's a killer. I don't know. I think we have some more pullbacks here, guys. What is going on, everybody? No funding. Sorry, no. My funding thesis is done. Their offer is done now. I thought we were gonna get an extension, but we didn't do that.
Order filled. Order filled.
All right, guys, I'm gonna place my stop at the break even again.
Order filled.
Oh my god, man.
Order filled.
We keep getting a bounce.
Order filled. Order filled. Order filled. Order filled. Order filled.
Connection
Order
lost.
filled. Order 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 filled.
All right, guys. I'm reloading my biggest cost Korean drop on Kospi. Yeah. Oh my god, I can't believe this
Order
guy. We're
filled.
getting a bounce back again. Incredible.
Order filled.
Hey guys, man, this could be the
Order
short-term
filled.
bottom, guys. Well, I tried to be I was looking for that flush down. So I was looking I was trying to short this, but we kept getting a bounce, right? So it was really hard. I was looking at one flush, but I'm just not getting that. Look, we may be getting that now after the fact that I'm kind of out of the trade. And that would have been a nice little trade that I've actually got into, but it looks pretty I guess bouncy now. I mean, but still, I made $200 that I need. I may try to YOLO one of my XFA account today. Maybe try to look for that pullback continuation down, right? Back into $25,000, including my Tradify. I may YOLO my Tradify account too, and try to see if I can actually get something out of that. And I don't really have anything else other than that. I've got my Tradify account. Tradify account that I've traded that for today. I made $600 on that trade. Oh, let's see if I can actually request a payout on my Tradify, by the way. Let me just quickly take a look and see. Maybe I could, I don't know. What is the Tradify Grand Cup standing for me? I'm in that mid 300 area. Oh my god, the profit consistency is still 45%, man. I've got to, how much more do I have to trade? I've got like $9,000 on that account. Jeez. Yeah, I may try to go a little more aggressive a little bit later. I don't know. Overnight is gonna get very, very interesting, guys. I don't think this pullback is over yet, guys. I don't think so. We may get some kind of a bounce back into the VWAP right here. VWAP could be a nice little area to kind of get a bounce into, and then I think we maybe the London could do it. London could bring it back into the VWAP, and then there is when I think it would start to fall apart again. I don't know. Oh my god, you guys are passing combines, passing, evals, passing literally everything on this pullback here today, man. Congrats, guys. No, the funding ticks, it's not $42. It's 60, I think it's $68 right now. Right, it's 20% off right now on funding ticks, on a $1,000 payout cap right now. That promo is over. Just ended now. Yeah, this market literally just kind of like took all the bears out, honestly. Guys, don't forget to smack the like, guys. Smack the like, guys. Do not forget to do that. Thank you, guys. Oh man.
Order filled. Order filled.
Oh, what am I doing?
Order filled. Order filled.
Gosh. Oh, I pressed the wrong button, guys. Anyways, looks dumpy anyway, so I'll take it.
Order filled. Order filled.
Oh my god, guys, what is this pullback here?
Order filled.
Alright guys,
Order
we're
filled.
constantly pulling back. What an easy trade.
Order filled. Order filled. Order filled.
Alright guys, one last piece.
Order filled.
There you go. I'm just gonna lock it in. Don't really have to be too aggressive on this trade. I made $700 on this account, so that's fine. There we go. This account I've got a trade for a few $100s. All right, guys, everybody. I am exhausted now. It's time for me to kind of go away, get a little break, and come back stronger tomorrow, guys. It's gonna be a lot of fun tomorrow, man. I can't wait to see how this kind of play out tomorrow. We had all green today, with an exception, one bad trade on my XFA, but overall, pretty good day. I'll take it. Obviously, it could have always been a lot better, but you know, it's not perfect, right? So so far I'm happy with everything that's just going on right now today. We had a pretty solid day. I hope all of you also had a great day as well. Oh my god, final countdown, you shorted every pop, past 2 evals. Nice. Woo! Going to trade your funded accounts, man. I'm gonna be back tomorrow doing the Asian market, guys. I wouldn't be here today. Sorry, I wouldn't be here tomorrow morning. I've got some stuff I gotta take care of, so I'll be back doing the Globex Asia, unfortunately. I hope all of you have a great rest of the night. What a monster pullback here. What a monster trade. And I know a lot of you actually ended up doing really good with your eval accounts, passed a lot. Congrats to all of you. We'll see you guys back tomorrow. Have a great rest of the night. God bless you and your family. Take a little rest. Get pumped for tomorrow, everybody. Thank you so much for being here. Don't forget to smack the like, guys, before you hop out as well. Thank you, guys. Have a happy, great rest of the night. Thank you so much once again. And peace out, everybody. Thank you, guys.